Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm with my fiance, Kyle J. Johnson.
And we are going to share a short dialogue between Alice and myself that introduces some common words and phrases that can be used in your everyday life.
Exactly. And so stay with us, practice with us, and let's enjoy this language adventure. So let me ask you questions about travel and adventure. First question, where is the most exciting place you have ever traveled to and why?
Um, I'm not sure exciting is the right word, but my favorite place that I've traveled is the Philippines. And well, the reason is that it was my first time traveling with my girlfriend. And it was my first time traveling like in this how do you say? Like in that type of environment, like it's hot, it's like, oh, tropical, yeah. It's a tropical environment and you
Mhm.
get beaches and like, yeah, and stuff like that.
Okay, I see. Okay, and what is your dream travel destination and why?
Well, I guess I would like to travel south of the equator. Because I've never traveled south of the equator. I'm thinking maybe Australia or New Zealand or even some place like South America or something like that.
Nice. That sounds exciting to do. Okay. And next question. Have you ever tried an extreme activity like skydiving or scuba diving?
Yes, during the trip or during my first trip to the Philippines, uh, myself and Alice, you did scuba diving, which
Mm-hmm.
I really enjoyed. Um, they show we went with like a few other people or a few other people joined us and they taught us or they provided all the equipment and they showed us how to do it. So we did a little tutorial and then we were able to go into the ocean and do scuba diving. And I really enjoyed that. It was a good experience. It was kind of difficult because like it's all new thing, but once you get the hang of it, then it's really fun.
Yeah, absolutely. And
And also, we planned to do skydiving on our last trip,
Mhm.
but um, but we didn't get to it. We didn't make it on the agenda, so hopefully skydiving will be, or not skydiving, but like air ballooning. That's what I meant.
Mhm.
Hot air ballooning. We meant to
Mhm.
do a hot air balloon trip during the last vacation, but that didn't happen. So hopefully we can work that in next time. Oh yes, and skydiving too. I'd love to do skydiving. I mean, it seems really scary, but yeah.
Yeah, it seems scary, but uh, it's really exciting to do so with you in the future. Okay, so